Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted to know what financial market is, how it works and how it applies to you or your business? Then stay with me, because in this episode I'm going to be breaking down types of financial markets and why it's important for business. Let's go. What are financial markets? The market where financial products are sold and bought is called the financial market. Stocks, bonds, currencies, derivatives, commodities, cryptocurrencies, etc., are all examples of these kinds of products. It acts as a platform where sellers and buyers can meet and trade the financial assets they want at a price set by the market. How do financial markets work? A financial market is a platform where firms and investors hope to raise capital to expand their activities and earn profitable returns. In this marketplace, buyers are matched with acceptable vendors, and sellers are able to strike advantageous deals by securing the best purchasers for their financial goods. Types of financial markets. Stock market. This is the focal point for firms seeking to raise financing. First, they register their shares and distribute them to interested traders in the secondary market through an initial public offering, IPO. They list the shares or stocks on stock exchanges, such as NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or OTC, an electronic trading counter. Bond market. It is the market where investors may buy bonds from companies to fund their projects. The bonds provide a pledge of return to the companies or government entities who purchase them within a specified time frame. For a full settlement, the companies must pay both the principal amount and the interest. Derivatives market. The derivatives market is comprised of derivatives whose value is derived from an underlying asset. Here, firms and individuals may trade futures, options, forward contracts, and swaps. To control financial risk, such trades may be executed either over the counter or through exchange-traded derivatives. Foreign exchange. The foreign exchange, Forex, market facilitates currency transactions. These markets are managed by financial institutions and are used to establish the exchange rates for all currencies. Commodity market. A commodity market is concerned with commodities, such as gold, oil, wheat, rice, etc. There are around 50 main commodities markets across the world. Markets for cryptocurrencies. Given the prospects for investors and traders, digital assets are gaining popularity. Using blockchain technology, transactions are executed and recorded. The cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., are accessible on online crypto exchanges, enabling traders to trade on a worldwide platform. Through the exchange's digital wallets, users may trade one digital money for another, including fiat cash. As centralized marketplaces, these systems are susceptible to cyber concerns such as hacking and fraud. Financial markets can be scary, and if you really want to explore this side further, please subscribe to my channel for constant update about the world of finance. Also, don't forget to show your support if you like our video by liking, commenting and sharing it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video. We come up with useful content for you every day. See you and have a wonderful day.